Looking to boost your system's storage performance? The Internal Mini SAS data cable connects your RAID or PCIe controller with an SFF8087 port directly to up to 4 SATA drives, delivering fast, reliable data transfer without the hassle. This cable is designed to keep your storage running smoothly, supporting speeds up to 6 GB per drive for seamless performance. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional installer, this Mini SAS to SATA adapter cable offers the perfect balance of convenience and durability. At 3 feet long, it provides ample length for neat internal cable management, while its slim ribbon design minimizes airflow disruption inside your computer case, helping keep your drives cool and efficient. The cable's flexible design stands out with acetate cloth tape wrapped around the ribbons, offering strain relief without adding stiffness. Plus, a woven mesh sheath covers half the cable for easy routing, making installation straightforward and tidy. Markers labeled P1 to P4 help you identify each connection quickly after setup. You'll appreciate the low-profile SATA connectors, featuring easy grip treads and stainless steel latches. These latches prevent accidental disconnections and reduce vibration issues, ensuring your drives stay securely connected during heavy use. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in reliability. If you're expanding your storage or setting up a RAID array, 2 of these cables can connect up to 8 SATA drives, spreading performance across 2 PCIe 2.0x8 lanes with compatible host bus adapters. This means you get scalable, high-speed access to multiple drives, perfect for demanding applications or data-intensive workflows. Top reviewers from the United States confirm this cable works flawlessly. They highlight its perfect length, which helps keep drives spaced apart for better cooling and airflow. No issues reported, just consistent, dependable performance, exactly what you want when managing critical data. If you're ready to enhance your system's storage capabilities with a reliable, high-speed internal connection, this Mini SAS to SATA cable is worth a look. It combines smart design, solid build quality, and performance you can count on to keep your drives running at their best. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup. Whether expanding your RAID array or adding more SATA drives, this cable provides the dependable link you need, without compromise.